Hey guys, it's Car Guy 11. Today we're going to take care of some interior rattles in the 2020 Supra, and it's an easy fix. I'm sure a lot of you guys are experiencing this, and it's due to the high power of the premium sound system. 500 watts with 2 subwoofers on the back shelf there. So I'm going to show you what I found that will take care of those annoying rattles with that stereo on. All right, the first place you're going to look for rattles, well, first of all, here are the 2 subs in the back, as you can see, causing a lot of the issues. But just in general, you're going to want to make sure the lids of the compartments in the back are completely shut and locked. You got to make sure they're on the hinges, like there in those fuse panel areas. Make sure everything's attached tightly and locked position. Also, the load floor has, it's just sitting in there loose. There's the battery under there. You're gonna want to make sure it's sitting properly all the way down, and slam on it, make sure everything's tight. In addition, there's one more on the back panel here. They have locking little tabs that you got to make sure are locked in the lock position and tight, so that doesn't cause a rattle. And then one more thing in the hatch area here is the actual cargo cover. Now you can remove this. There's strands here that attach to the hatch door. Make sure they're in the proper position, lock position. You can clip these out. Make sure the front area is clipped in, and then the center area as well. Make sure they're firmly clipped in, and the center section should not lift up unless you unclip it. So just make sure all that is clipped nicely to eliminate that source of vibration. Okay, now the area that was a problem for me was behind both seats, and you're gonna have to move up the seat all the way up and forward as much as you can. And you'll see back here there is a panel with a lip under here, and the lip is where it's, I guess, not very tight, and it does vibrate with when the stereo is on. So what I did, I actually stuck, and you can see kind of there's a gap there now, but I just stuck some foam there, and I did it on both sides, and believe me, it helped immensely. It was a huge difference. So again, both the passenger side and the driver side has the same area, and that's where my source of squeaks and rattles were. And this is for your child seats, which I'm not sure why you need one on the driver's side, but these are also not extremely tight. I could see these vibrating a little bit as well, but you just have to feel around the interior, see what is causing vibrations on your car. So I hope this helped you guys. I didn't want to make a long video on this, but I tend to think this is going to be an issue for a lot of cars out there, especially with the premium audio system. All right, guys, I hope that helped you solve that annoying issue, and definitely stay tuned and subscribe for more great 2020 Supra videos, plus my other vehicles on the channel. And please comment below if you are having those same issues, and let me know if that helped you out. And also subscribe to Instagram and Facebook for the latest news on Car Guy 11. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.